Absentee voting is for people who cannot go to their polling location on election day, and they have a reason for not being able to go to their polling location. You must have a reason. In Fairfax County, we have several options for voting absentee. For one, if you download the absentee ballot application and get it to our office, we will mail you a ballot. That's probably the easiest. The second is we do in-person voting. We're at the government center. We are open for you to come into the government center and vote before the election, and that's usually 45 days prior to the election. We also have 7 satellite locations that open 2.5 weeks prior to the election that you can go to. The deadlines for absentee voting: for one, you must be registered to vote, and you must do that by October 15th. For two, you can submit an application to us as late as October 29th in order to get an absentee ballot sent to you.
No write-ins are permitted.
Yes, any way you choose to do it, you can watch the number turn if you want. Just there you go.
We must receive the ballot no later than 7 p.m. on November 5th, 2013 for it to be counted as a vote.